Hello guys, this is DC Trader for another market update, and today is February 15 after Valentine's Day, and take a look at the US market. It is still on fire, guys, and it is, as we speak, it looks like creating another all-time high. That is good. The current high for the market right now is around 3,949 and 25, and that is good. But for our markets, guys, it is a little bit of a not exciting. We should be creating new highs, guys, but our market is going back down. But anyway, let's take a look at the minute candle to take a look at the current price action. Now, of course, when I left you guys on February 11 before the Chinese New Year, we were on a bear micro, and today we did try to go up high. Unfortunately, we only reached at 7,025 area, and then at 1040 ever since we're trying to push back down. Now the current critical level right now is still on 6809. So if this does not change anytime soon, we'll have to take a look at these two levels, hoping that buyers will come back to the market just like in the US market when they are going up high, sky high, right? All right, so let's take a look at the next market. Basically is AC Energy. Now AC Energy, guys, we are still in between these two levels of 825 and 554. Although today it looks like a little bit of a red candle. We did not break that, but that's okay. Now this is one big move, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 days of great move, and ever since we are stuck right now. We cannot go back high, right? Now if we take a look at it on our minute area, let's take a look at what happened to AC Energy. AC Energy, guys, the thing that really is not so great is that we did continue the bear micro. Although we stopped near the 30, actually it is the 61.8 level, or this particular level, right? We're still in the 750 level, right? Now we broke this down. Now for me, if this again continues to go down, then we'll have to take a look at this area if this has a support. If this will support it, then we may still have a chance. But if this does not change anytime soon, guys, it could even reach to 7 pesos, and that is not good. All right, we need the bulls to buy here, or even starting to buy now, right? So the level that we need to take a look at is this actually. All right. So AC Energy, I hope you are going up. Now for Ali, on the other hand, when I left you guys, yes, it was a bear micro, and today it did change to a bull micro, or the bull micro from a bear. Unfortunately, we just reached near 10 o'clock, and it could not even break the high there of 41.22. We could only reach 40.90, and then we're trying to create a bear micro, which is not so great, guys. All right, so we did not break the high now. So again, we will have to take a look at 39.90 will hold. Okay, if that does not hold, guys, then our critical level is still at 38.18, but these levels are the one that we need to watch. See if the buyers are gonna buy this back. All right, but we never know. Sometimes the buyers might buy it back tomorrow, and from a bear to a bull right away. That is good. But if not, then these are the levels that we need to take a look at it for Ali. All right, and the next particular stock is BDO. Now for BDO, guys, we are still stuck in between 108 and 106. Although there's really not much of a change for BDO. Oh, by the way, let's take a look at it. Now for Ali, the only good thing about Ali, just let me repeat that back. The only good thing about Ali is it is breaking higher, right? But we're still stuck in this area of 4120. And currently we're going back down. Now again, this is a second entry, right? We did try to go up. We could not reach that high. Now we're going back down. Now I hope we don't reach the 36.85 anytime soon, right? So let's put an arrow up here. Now for BDO, guys, we are still stuck between these two. Although again, this is a second entry. And then we did reach to our target of 11350. Unfortunately, we did not go above. So now let's take a look at it if it does not break 100. If it does break 100, something has changed. All right. The next particular stock is Converge. Now Converge, guys, had a very exciting start of our day. Unfortunately, it did not end an exciting day. Look at that, guys. Okay. Let's cancel this one out first so we can see a little bit clearer. Okay. Today, when I left you guys there on Thursday, it was a bear micro. Now, the thing is, this could be news driven. Suddenly, it changed. Reach to the 2120 area, up, and then go back down. That is a very exciting day. But the current issue is that it is creating a bear micro, not a bull micro, right? Now, where did I get that level, right? It did almost double its move. What do you mean by doubling the move? The way I see it is doubling the move. Let me check this one out. Oops, sorry about that. Let me try to okay. What I mean about doubling the move is it moved here. Its main move really started here. Right? And then we had a pullback, right? But the thing is that we could not go back to this particular, so this is the main move, right? We could not go back to 17. Now, what I do is that on the fib, I double this move, right? And we did almost reach the double move. Just enough. So buyers here almost made a double money here. So they sold off, right? And now we are back to this particular level around 19 something. Let me see. Oops. Cannot see that. Yeah. 1933. We're back in here. Now the only thing is that as long as we don't go below 1755, then we may want to go back, still going back up. But if the way I see it right now, if this continues tomorrow on a bear micro, this might even reach to 1755. All right. But I hope there's some changes there. So currently right now, we are actually in between 2120 and 1755. Now, as long as we don't hit 1750 anytime soon, we have a bigger chance of creating another all-time high. All right. The next particular stock is DTO. Now, DTO on the other hand, yes, it did create another all-time high, which is 18 something, 1810, I think so. 1812 actually. I'm sorry about that, but yeah. But the thing is that, yes, it did pop a bit, but it did create a bear micro. So this, I thought this was a bear micro, but actually we have to cancel this one out because it did go up and it did create another like that. So now we're currently on a bear micro going back down. Critical level here, basically, as long as we don't go below 1681, we still have a chance to go up higher. Where is 1681? It is here. Around that area, right? That area. As long as we don't go back there, we're good to go. Alright, but current main level here is 1550 and 1812. So DTO is doing good. So what's the next after DTO? Let's take a look. We're talking FGEN. Now FGEN, guys, to be honest with you, not a very good stock to be playing with. Although, yes, it did try to go back high, but now it's going back down. It is still in between these two levels. So let us see how it looks like on the 5-minute. Now, the reason why I go through these every single day, same stocks, is not because I do trade all of them, but this means that we're getting to understand the these types of stocks, because traders of FGEN are different from traders of BDO. BDO traders are also different who trades Converge. So they have different traders, different speed, different likes. These are different group of people. Now for this particular stock, FGEN is pretty, they got excited and they got okay, right? But for me right now, when I guys left you here, it was here a little bit and then it popped out, then it go back down. But currently right now, we are still really stuck in between here. Now one of them has to give way. It's either it's going back down or it's going back up. Now if this goes back down to 2174, which it can, this is following this particular bear micro, and this could go back to 2933. If that does not hold, going back even lower. So the way I would do a fib here is this. There you go. 50% level. The next level is here. The next level is here. And if that does not hold, the next level is here. And if it goes up high, first level of issue, the next level of issue. Actually here, here, here. Alright, that is for FGEN. So the next particular stock is Hlcm. And Hlcm, guys, we did, for Hlcm, we are still stuck in here and in here. Although I could really say we are breaking highs. I could really put an arrow going back up, right? But the thing is, we're currently stuck in between 648 and 629 area. We're stuck here. So for tomorrow, let's just put it there. Now, if we could not reach 629 tomorrow, no matter what, then we have a bigger chance of reaching 650 and above. But if we break that area, then the next level would be 621. If that does not hold, it will be 610. All right. So anyway, the way I would see it, the next stock is JFC. Now JFC, guys, on the other hand, last February 11 was a shocker. It just dropped, continued, right? Now, the only good thing about Jollibee right now is that yes, it did break this area, but today it's trying to go back up. Unfortunately, it did not end up higher. So we are still stuck in here. So the way I would do it like this. All right. So the next support level will be 178. And if that does not hold, it will be 175. So I hope that the market tomorrow will be on a bull micro and it will hit above 182. If not, then this will continue its downfall. The next particular stock is MBT. Now, of all the banks, I think MBT has a better looking stock. I would not say better than BDO, but of course, take a look at the arrow. Yes, we did broke a little bit, but now we're going back. Now, the only good thing about this particular stock is that we are on a second entry, and as long as we don't go back here, we have a bigger chance of going above 50. Now, you can see it. Yes, this is what I did before, right? And I'll explain to you what happened. Now, the only thing is that I did do this bear micro, right? But the thing is that this particular stock open never was higher than this area. And it just dropped. And after that, it did not drop again. It went even higher back. So basically, it started the day here and it ended the day the same as where it started, right? So I would cancel these two arrows. So that means that this is one big move and now it's creating a bull micro to the upside. Now, current issue will be around 49.20. The next issue will be around 50 pesos. All right. Other than that, if this goes back to a bear micro, then important level will be around 48. Okay. So the next particular stock that I'm going to be discussing is MM. Now, okay, MM is really doing good, guys. Much better than the PGOLD and the Robinson's RRHI. Because this company is better than those two. Take a look at that, guys. It is breaking highs and it's even higher, right? Now, can this even go higher? Maybe. But currently right now it's breaking high. So when I guys on February 11 we were here, right? And today it's basically it started here, broke above, pull back, break higher. That is definitely a bull micro. And it end even higher. So that is good, right? So current right now, it will be like this. So this one, sellers tried to push down but could not reach here. Buyers took over, broke the sellers out. So an important area will be 728. As long as we cannot go back to this particular area anytime soon, then we can always reach for another all-time high. All right, this area is very important. Sellers here, sellers tried to push the market but got out, right? So we don't want them to push the market below 728. All right. Okay, guys. Let's go take a look at the next particular stock. It is our favorite PGOLD. Now, of course, I'm not so sure what's happened to my charting platform, but this is just only PGOLD. Maybe because I'm having some issues with PGOLD today, but let's take a look. overall, really, PGOLD, there's really not much any change. If you take a look at it on the dailies, yes, it is breaking highs, but we are still stuck in here. So there's really not much to talk about on PGOLD. Because we are still in between here. I wish we could break higher. Strong pullback, could not even reach here, and we could easily go back to this area. But at least I would say overall this is way better because it is breaking highs, right? Overall it is a little bit better. I can't complain, right? Okay, now the next particular stock aside from PGOLD is basically SECB. Now for SECB, guys, we are still stuck in between 134 and 124. And today it broke this area, but now we're having an inside day and it's trying to reverse itself. So for SECB overall, it is trying to have a bull micro here, but the level that we should be concerned is that 126. If that does not get hit, then the way we're gonna do it, if it wants to go back to this area where the seller started, then we will have to take a look at these areas, hoping that sellers are not there to push it back down to reach 126, right? Now, if the sellers cannot push this one down, easy, these can reach to 134. Now, the way I would see it, why do I like MBT better than SECB or BDO? It is because we are at the upper of the range. Well, SECB and BDO is in the middle of the range, while SECB is below the range, right? So not so great overall, right? But anyway, the next particular stock is tech. Now for tech, guys, we had a very strong run up. Then we had a very strong pullback. We thought that this was breaking highs again, but unfortunately is going for another pullback. Important level is around this level. So basically we are stuck in here and in here. All right. Now, if we take a look at it on this area here, we are on a 78.6 level, almost 629. So basically, let's do like that. If it continues to fall, then we will have to take a look at it at 629. All right. Okay, guys, thank you very much, guys, for your time and support for this channel. I hope that you find this very good and very information is good. I know it's very technical, too technical, but I hope that this will help you in your trading and making money in the markets. Thank you and take care and God bless.